Danish ko karo punish and add some cheese to my dish. How did I do this?
I'm a little scared.
Danish, you always do this.
Do what?
मैं हर हफ्ते डेडिकेटेडली मील प्लान्स बनाती हूँ, ग्रोसरी लिस्ट बनाती हूँ, and then you just go to the supermarket और पता नहीं क्या क्या उठा कर ले आते हो.
Once in a while it's okay, babe.
Don't babe me. And your once in a while is her rose. I don't want that to be a bad influence on Alina.
यार तुम्हारी लिस्ट इतनी बोरिंग होती है ना. I don't want her to grow up and be boring like that.
You did not just say that.
I did.
You know what? इसे सेटल करने का ना एक ही तरीका है. A cook off.
Not bad, huh? ये तुम्हारे पास अच्छे आइडिया कब से आने लग गए?
You know what? I'm just gonna talk to Gobble and I'll see you at the cook off. For this cook-off, we got 750 rupees from Gobble and a 1-hour cook time. And to judge the cook-off, we called our Aankhon ka Tara, Alina.
Shoot. थोड़ा हेल्प करो.
हाँ, अरे तुम तो बहुत करो, खुद करो.
यार ये अंदाजे वाली कुकिंग ना मुझसे नहीं होती. How can you tell बिना रेसिपी के सैंडविच में कितना कैप्सिकम पड़ना चाहिए? How many onions you need? How much corn? Okay.
I'm making a healthy aglio olio spaghetti with some yummy vegetables and a vanilla banana milkshake. Oh God, it's going to be horrible winning so easily, यार. बहुत बुरा लग रहा है.
I am making a super yummy vegetable cheese sandwich and a chocolate cookie shake. It's not about speed, it's the quality. Each slice is going to be perfect.
जब तक मेरी कुकिंग हो जाएगी तुम्हारा टमाटर कट जाएगा. You know guys, I know I'm a really good cook. So Alina is definitely gonna love all the food and also I am her favorite parent.
Favorite? Please, some more Maya. This is the problem in modern life. Nobody spends time on quality things.
इसीलिए हम कभी खाना नहीं बनाने देते क्योंकि फिर हमें ब्रेकफास्ट डिनर टाइम पे मिलता और डिनर अगले दिन के डिनर पे मिलता.
मगर जो मिलता वो इतना बढ़िया होता है.
तब तक हम भूख से मर जाते हैं.
That's not important.
And I just want to show you something very quickly. जितने टाइम में तुमने एक टमाटर काटा है, उतने ही टाइम में मैंने 4 सब्जियां काट ली. Oh my God! How did I do this?
ऐसे इसका कुछ निकलता है ना ऊपर से पहले.
मुझे क्या पता? I will not let you poison our child. Let me do this. This is how you cut a cucumber. You cut it, and you poke little slices in it. Then you take out all the kadwapan, and then you slice it off from the top.
What is this ridiculous old-fashioned method of cutting cucumber?
Now peel it.
So fresh the vegetables are यार. जिसने भी pick किया है ना, it's an excellent job.
Really? तो फिर तुम्हें जान के बहुत खुशी होगी कि ये सब्जियां मैं लाई थी.
But you have to admit that groceries I'm the best at picking.
कुछ भी.
Excuse me, कल fresh avocado कौन लाया था? हाँ? और ये so good chocolate almond milk, who got this? So when I got it, that time you were like, so healthy. It's got vitamin B, it's got calcium.
हाँ, so what if he did one thing right for a change?
You just don't want to admit that I'm the cooler parent.
हर चीज coolness के बारे में नहीं होती. And I hope कि हारने के बाद भी ना, he can remain so cool.
देखते हैं.
When Danish just started cooking ना, तो उस
यार, not in front of the cameras यार.
अरे भाई, लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए ना, तुम कितने अच्छे शेफ हो. So when Danish just started cooking, he was a serious stickler for recipes. तो अगर रेसिपी में लिखा होता कि you need 200 grams of onion, Danish would go looking for the perfect onion that was 200 grams only. अगर वो 195 grams का होता, then he couldn't cook. Such are the limitations of great chefs, है ना Danish?
And since we are talking about stories, even I have a story.
Why?
नहीं अभी शेयर करेंगे ना, शेयर करते हैं.
नहीं, क्या जरूरत है?
खुले आम.
कोई जरूरत नहीं.
श्रुति जो है अपने आप को बहुत बड़ी बेकर समझती है, जिंदगी में कुछ बनाया नहीं है. So she decided कि मैं chocolate chip cookies बनाऊंगी because अलीना को बहुत पसंद है. And she did follow the recipe because you know greatness doesn't need to follow instructions. तो उन्होंने chocolate chip cookies बनाई और वो ओवन से निकली और उसके बाद मैंने एक बाइट लिया और मेरे 2 दांत टूट गए. अलीना ने बेचारी ने भी कोशिश की खाने की और जब आप उसका चेहरा देखेंगे उसके भी सामने के 2 दांत जा चुके.
You know, the first time that I saw you on the sets of Anna, I thought you were very khadus.
What? That was my job, to be khadus. And since we are being honest, I just want to remind you of the first time that I sent you a text message asking you if you'd like to come out with us for a drink after shoot, and your reply was, "I'm an actor. I don't hang with ladies," and you still came.
No, I did not.
Okay, if you say so.
It was a very lame pickup, but okay.
Which obviously
You get
worked
some,
because
points for trying.
15 years later, here we are.
I have to tell you, वैसे मुझे काफी बुरा लगेगा when Alina chooses me. I'm genuinely feeling bad because I know you're trying. I can see it.
देखो मेरा सीक्रेट रखना अभी स्टेप 2 जब वो आएगा ना
हाँ.
तो तुम्हारे पास का तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला.
Well, देखो बात ये है कि I'm clearly the parent who makes the healthier choices for our child.
And I'm very happy for you to continue being that as long as I'm the parent who makes the fun choices for our child.
And who said that healthy is not fun? Seriously, that is what you're going to pitch against this? Okay, honestly, even I won't eat that.
Ready?
Oh, not yet. We have 2 dishes, remember?
एक तो हो गया ना.
Okay, so like my pasta is done. And now for Alina's favorite, some corn. Done.
So, if you're done from that side, do you mind if I come there and use the mixie?
Be my guest.
Thank you.
Let me also start getting prepped for my milkshake. Oh my god, only 5 minutes are left. I still have to play now. ये तो जो अलीना को ना मास्टर शेफ दिखा के बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी हम लोगों ने.
You're already getting ready as Melissa. I know I'm going to win and all, but don't you think your dish could use something a little bit more fun?
Of course, so easy. Shrink, bring, सर्वलिंग, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान बदलिंग. Danish को करो punish and add some cheese to my dish. Huh? So easy. देखो.
That's cheating.
That's not cheating. That's magic.
No, it's not.
Okay, hands up. Step behind your benches. मैं अपनी dishes से बहुत खुश हूँ. It's going to be so easy for Alina to pick me.
I have made cheese sandwich, a chocolate cookie shake, and a smiley face. So it's clear ना जीतने कौन वाला है?
Ta-da! Miss Alina, please come.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! See what Mama and Papa cooked for you?
So which one are you gonna try first?
Okay, but you know what you have to do after you taste both the things? You have to give Papa and Mama marks out of 10. Okay?
Yeah, whichever one you like more. Get more marks. Ready?
So this up for you. Okay, now you want to tell me your marks? Yes! I knew it.
First, you're not going to finish all of it.
Okay, so are we ready?
I'm a little scared.
Why?
You're really scared, Babu. मैंने तो पहले ही कहा था that I was going to win, so I am feeling a little bad for Danish. But you know what? My pasta was clearly better than his sandwich. So, Alina के लिए नहीं सही, पर you're my favorite.
मैं दोनों का favorite.
Hey guys, click on the link below and upgrade to So Good for a healthier lifestyle for you and your family.
If you like this video and have an appetite for more such experiences, keep watching Gobble.